Theology of Lord Adinatha, Bhaktamar Stotra, verse number 35. The last auspicious symbol, that is divine sound. स्वर्गापवर्ग गम मार्ग विमार्गणेष्टाः सद्धर्म तत्व कथनैक पटुस्त्रिलोक्याः दिव्या ध्वनिर्भवति ते विशुद्धार्थ सर्वा भाषा स्वभाव परिणाम गुणैः प्रयोज्यः. Now, prose order of this verse number 35. स्वर्ग अपवर्ग गम मार्ग विमार्ग रेष्ठा. I know you people are confused that from where I have taken your word upvarg. It's swarga pavarg. I am splitting the words for better understanding of meaning. If you want to know the secret of splitting, just go to playlist in the same channel and find out the folder Vyakaran Sutra, and there just study about Sanskrit Vyakaran Sutra and go on. Here, swarg, that means heaven, upward, it's salvation, liberation, or can say emancipation. Gam, marg, to path towards. Vimarg, resta, that means well in seeking out. Next line of this verse contains the words सद्धर्म तत्व कथनैक पटुः त्रिलोक्याः. Sadharma Tattva, that means of principles of true religion. Kathanek Patu, that means too proficient in sounding out. Trailokyaha, to the dwellers of three worlds, or can say residers belong to three worlds. Next line is Divya Dhvani Bhavati Te Vishuddharth Sarvam. Here, Divyadhvani is auspicious symbol, divine sound. Bhavati, that means plays the role. Te is your. Vishuddharth, that means clear meaning or interpretation. Sarva, that means all. Bhasha, next line. After this, next line is Bhasha Swabhava Parinam Gunai Prayojya. Bhasha, that means language, and here I am considering languages just because of Sarva Bhasha, all the languages. Swabhav Parinam, Parinam, that means your transformation. We have to take be transform to the stage of Gunai. Gunai, that means with attributes. Prayojya, prayojya with attributes, or can say by attributes prayojya. Better to take by prayojya here and jod such. Now we have to take some additional words also to make the meaning very clear. In Sanskrit, those words are said to be as adyahar. Now come to the chart. Here talking about te divya dhvani. That means your divine sound. Bhavati plays the role. What kind of? So, first of all, Swarga Pavarg Gam Marg Vimarg Veshta. The very first role of this divine sound is well in seeking out to the path towards the heaven and salvation. Second one is Sadharma Tattva Kathanaik Patustri Lokya. That means this auspicious symbol, divine sound, is too proficient in sounding out the principles of true religion. Third one is Vishuddharth, having very clear meaning and interpretation. And the last one is Sarv Bhasha Swabhav Parinam Gunai Prayojya, which means having power to being transformed to the stage of all the languages, having such attributes. Now it's time to discuss about complete meaning at once. O Lord, what to say about the glory of your divine sound? It contains many of the qualities. Your divine sound plays the role. First of all, shows the path to salvation and heaven. Second one, proficient in uncurtailing the principles of true religion, having clear and precise meaning, and at last endowed with the quality of transforming into all the languages by attributes. Look at the text here. This is the end of verse number 35.